Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Ikra English School. This is your class 5th NCERT book. Looking around, and this is the first chapter. And now we will read the next super sense of hearing. This is your part 3. In earlier part, in the first part, you study about the sense of smell. In the second, you learn about the sense of sight. Now we will here read about the sense of hearing, the super sense of hearings of the animals. You know that the tiger, rat, lion, eagle, vulture, etc., they have super sense of sight. Like that, the elephant, tiger, dog, langur, they can hear even the faintest sound of even the faintest sound. Their super senses of hearing helps them to find their prey and sometimes protect themselves from their enemies. In class 4th, you read that we cannot easily see birds' ear. There are small holes covered with feathers. I think I have told you about the birds' ears. The birds have internal ears. They do not have external ears like cat, dog, elephant, etc. But they have ears. They have two tiny holes on the both side of their head, and their holes are covered with their feather. That is why we cannot see the birds' ears. The first question: the name of 10 animals whose ears you can be seen. So there are many animals such as cow, buffalo, cat, dog, elephant, lion, tiger, wolf, etc. The name of some animals whose ears are larger than our ears. Elephant, cow, rabbit, buffalo, dog, etc. Their ears are bigger than us. Think if there is some link between the size of animal's ear and their hearing. Yes, there is a link because it is believed that the animals who has bigger ears, they can listen the sharper sound than us. Means they have the super sense of hearing whose ears are bigger than us. This is an activity, so try this at home. For this activity, find a quiet place in your school. Tell one of your friend to stand at the short distance and ask him to say something softly. The rest of you should listen carefully. Then all of you put your hands behind your ears as shown in the picture. Let the same child say something again as softly as before. In which case was the sound sharper? As your friend, ask your friend to put your hand over your ears and say something. Can you hear your voice? Here you can hear the sharp sound when you cover your ear. And if you will keep your hand on your ear, then you can hear your voice sharply. The next activity: sit near a desk. Tap the desk once with your hand. Listen carefully. Now put your ear on the desk as shown in the picture. Tap on the desk once again with your hand. Listen again. Was there any difference in the sound of the tap? Yes, when keep we will keep our ear, we will put our ear on the table, then we can hear the sound, the vibration sharply. This is how snakes hear. They do not have external ear which you can see. They only feel the vibration on the ground. The snakes do not have external ear, but they can listen, they can feel the vibration on the ground. Sound and messages. High up on a tree, a langur warns other of dangers like a tiger or leopard. When any tiger or leopard comes to them, then he can make sound of danger. The langur does this by making a special warning call. Birds also give alarm calls to warn about the danger. Some birds even have different sound for their different kinds of danger. For example, there is a different warning call if the enemy is coming from the sky or if the enemy is on the ground. If the enemy is on the ground or if the enemy are coming from the sky, the birds have different sound. Fishes give alarm by call by electric signals. Some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. People who live in the forest and can observe such behavior of animals come to know of the danger. In December 2004, few tribes that live in the forest of the Andaman Island noticed the animals behaving in a different manner. They guessed some danger, so they moved away to a safer part of the island. Soon after, the island were hit by the tsunami, but these people were saved. So this was the third part of the chapter. Now we